We are going to explain the all-inside figure 8 suture technique. There is no conflict of interest. Usually, the lateral meniscus tear at the posterior horn is combined with an anterior cruciate ligament injury. A standard anterior lateral and an anterior middle portal is created. The radial tear at the posterior horn is confirmed by a Foot probe. To start, we debride the meniscal lesion with a meniscus rasp. No accessory portal is necessary during the procedure. After the walking portal and the viewing portal switched, the meniscal viper insert from the anterolateral portal. The primary vertical suture set 5 to 10 mm apart from the tear site towards the middle segment side. A vertical stack suture is fastened by the meniscal viper with number 20 fiber wire. The loop fiber wire is retrieved through the portal. Then the viper system is set with the same loop fiber again. Next, the second viper is set on the posterior horn side. The anterior hook of the meniscal viper should deeply hang from the meniscal rim, and the needles should be inserted from the anterior margin of the lateral meniscus as much as possible. The fiber wire is retrieved through the portal again. By drawing both ends of the thread through the lateral portal, a single oblique thread runs on the radial tear. Then, the rest of two ends are tied by a modified rocking hitch. The torn meniscus return to the normal position. A couple of half hitches are additionally applied to secure the knot. Then cut it by a cord cutter. Finally, a figure 8 configured suture is fashioned. The thread runs across it on the femoral meniscus side with two parallel vertical root in substantial meniscus.